My name is Cooper New, and today I'm going to be showing you how I like to use the Alure 3-barrel curling wand. I'm going to be showing you how I use this tool to get some really fun beachy waves and how quickly and easily you can do it. So let's get started. The way I like to use this wand is by alternating the wave that I hold it. So I will start by doing some of the waves holding the wand at a vertical angle, and then I will also do some of the waves holding the wand at a horizontal angle. That helps so that all the pieces don't look the exact same, so they blend and they look super effortless. You hold for a few seconds, then you pick it back up and you move down in sections. As you can see, it's creating a really nice wave. And then when I get to the bottom, I leave that little bit out, which keeps everything looking really natural and beachy. Now I'm coming in and I'm holding the hair down in a vertical angle and coming in horizontally with the iron. Beautiful! Look how bouncy that is. I'm now going to repeat the process on my whole head, and at the very end I'll show you guys how I like to do the pieces that frame the face. This piece that is closest to my face, I am going to angle the iron towards my head so that the curl can lay a little bit better. So this is what the finished style looks like, super fun and beachy. Now I'm going to show you some fun ways that you can accessorize this hairstyle. From your face, and you curl down the barrel without overlapping your hair. Again, this is when you're thankful for this glove. So it really keeps my hand from burning, which it would be doing right now without it. So, and then hold for up to 10 seconds. You don't want to go too much longer than that. And then you have a good soft curl. I really like these curls because you can brush them out and make them as wavy and casual as you want them to be
or you could spray that really well and keep it pretty formal. So it gives you a good variety. So I like to have those options whenever I'm styling my hair, especially with just one tool. That's really easy and really cool. Also, another trick to help your curls stay all day long is to grab relatively small sections. So the size I grab is typically about that big, but again, I like my hair more of a wave. So you can grab smaller sections for tighter curls or larger sections for more loose waves. Another thing that is great about this wand is that the barrel itself is tapered. So as you may be able to see, it goes from large to small. And I'm being very careful again to not overlap the hair strands so that they all touch the barrel and get the curl. And by having the tapered effect, it gives it more of a natural look. It looks more natural if the curls are wider and if the curls are bigger up top next to your scalp and then smaller on the bottom. And that's, at the end of the day, what I like to have is more of that natural curl look. Thank you all so much for joining me today. That's all I have. I really hope that you're able to go out and find yourself a Remington Pearl ceramic wand and that you love it as much as I do. Bye-bye.